Here is the Kia Seltos, and that's where the bulb is. In order to access it, we have to open up the hatch and we have to get the light out because there's no way to directly access the bulb from inside. So for that we have to take off two screws, and these are Phillips head screws, so you need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's go ahead and get those screws out one by one and keep them somewhere safe. And now grab the light and then rock it first, and then try to slide it straight to the back of the car. Very likely it won't come off, so I'll show you a trick. Get a roll of duct tape. Now get one long piece of duct tape off and just put it on the light lengthwise, just the way I'm showing. And now let's repeat the process and get one more piece. And now grab the two ends of the two pieces like a handle and then yank the light out straight to the back. The light will come off. Just get the duct tape off. That's the bulb holder for the brake light. Just grab it and twist it left and it should come right out. Push down and twist left on the bulb to get the bulb off. The bulb size is 2357. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb and put it back in. Now if you're not able to push it down, don't worry. Take it out, turn it around, and now you will be able to push down. So push down, twist right, let it go. When you put the bulb holder back in the light, you have to make sure it just sits in flush like this. And you may have to do some twisting and turning before it does. At this point, twist your right to lock it and you're done. This pin goes there, this other pin goes over there. There's two holes for the screws. This cutout goes on to that white pin, and that cutout is important when you're trying to put the light back on. So keep some pressure on the front edge over there, and then you push the light in. So one hand on the front edge, one hand pushes the light in to pop it in. This way the cutout goes onto the white pin and it doesn't stick out, and the light sits in properly. That is good. Now let's just put those two screws back in and tighten them up, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.